Assalamu alaikum students. Today we'll discuss about the topic are occupations. Are occupations. Children, do your father and mother go out to work? Where do they work? Why do you think it's necessary for them to work? Let me tell you the answer of these questions. We have already learned that we need food to eat, clothes to wear, and houses to live in. We can get all these things only if we have the money to buy them. And to earn money, we have to do some work. And different people do different types of work to earn money. And any work done by any person to earn money is called an occupation. Any work done by any person to earn money is called an occupation. So what's an occupation? Any work done by any person to earn money is called an occupation. There are different types of occupations. Many people work as farmers, others work as doctors, engineers, and teachers. Some people work in factories and offices. Talking about India, as we all know, India is an agricultural country. So, farming is the main occupation of a large number of people in India. Large number of people in India are associated with farming. As we know, Indian soil is good and fertile for farming. So, the people here grow different types of food grains, vegetables, and fruits. And these people are called as farmers. These people are called as farmers. Farmers also grow cotton, jute, sugarcane, oil seeds, tea, and pulses. Different types of crops are grown by these farmers, as farming is the main occupation of people of India. Then we have another important occupation, which is cattle rearing. So, cattle rearing. Cattle rearing is another occupation of people of India. Farmers keep cows, buffaloes on their farms. Cows and buffaloes give milk. Farmers also use blocks for ploughing fields. Cattle rearing is another occupation of farmers, or we can say the people. Cows, buffaloes, and blocks are kept in the farms, or the people keep these animals, while cows and buffaloes are used for milk and blocks are used for ploughing the fields. Farmers also keep sheep for wool, and animals like goat are kept for meat. This type of farming is also known as cattle farming. Cattle farming means rearing cattle like goats, cows, buffaloes, blocks, etc. It's also known as cattle farming, meaning rearing cattle like goats, cows, buffaloes, blocks, etc. There is another occupation related to this cattle farming, and that is dairy farming. So dairy farming is another occupation related to cattle farming. Dairy farming is rearing cattle for milk. Rearing cattle for milk is called dairy farming. As we know that a lot of milk products are made from milk. So, what's cattle farming? Rearing of cattle like goat, cows, blocks, and buffaloes for various uses. And dairy farming means rearing cattle for milk. After this, we have another main occupation or another important occupation, which is poultry farming. Poultry farming. In poultry farms, chickens and ducks are kept for eggs and meat. Poultry farming is another important occupation. In poultry farms, chickens and ducks are kept for eggs and meat. This was all for today. In next lecture, we will discuss some other occupations. Hope you have understood well. Thank you and take care.